Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get plants such as the Banesberry, the zombie fruit, as well as the Ghoul root. So for the Ghoul root, you can actually purchase it from the Halloween market. For the Banesberry, it's actually pretty unique. You'll need the bone dog to dig it, which makes it very hard to obtain it, if I'm being honest here. And the zombie fruit you get from grave digging. It is rare as well. But that's where you can kind of find those plants if you are kind of confused on where you should look for it, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.